Everybody give him praise, cause he alone is Baba. The butter my bread, sugar my tea, everything good is from the Lord. The butter my bread, sugar my tea, everything good is from the Lord. So DJ Marama, can you get it to your Onwa let it on you, put on yenta. Onwa let it on you, put on yenta. Yes. What up, people? You will say, this has been long. Why are you this excited? Okay, right? It is that time of the year again. Our annual traditional Thanksgiving. That is Anam traditional Thanksgiving called Anam in our dialect. But if you want to pronounce it in the Central Igbo, you can say Otite Anam. But when we go home, we call it Ote Anam, right? Okay, so the brief history is that our progenitors lived a life of thanksgiving. They are grateful people, you know. The culture then is that the community has to give thanks, and there is in particular thanksgiving to God about the bountiful harvest, because we are primarily, basically, farmers and fishermen. Yeah, so that is it. This is for our people that is people from other parts of the world that don't understand Igbo, or Igbo people that don't really understand Anam dialect. So right, happy Ote. Okay, so I have to switch back to English. The Ote Anam for 2023 is coming up this Sunday, August 20th. Nyabo keke. Happy Ote, my people. Happy Ote. This year I ekwurogu obuni ya kwajiri water toto mara na toto this year kwajiwa obuna anything in William Ote. Just be grateful, you know. So nyaka njisika mbia makana umunnem ndi ozo etinye sigono maka ive Ote, boy, you know, otego mununu no devils ka mbia ka ntie kwa anu ka odwa ka na eme makana mgba nkite odika anozi anukwa mi ahụ no ive erike imago ive niile enwele oge, just like one of my songs kwuru niile niile enwele oge. Ụgbọ nke erute eme ya emesikwa ya avatakwa ha imago n'ụbọchị wee na-aga. So happy Anam to all the Anam people all over the world. Biko ebe ọbụla ị nọ, observe what. Be grateful. Even every part of the world where a collective date Virginia Thanksgiving. So this is our own unapologetically what I go. Okay, Jamie, but okay, Kelvin Daniel no Ivan August. Okay, this year, Bokanabia called Daniel. Now August 20. So I love you, my beautiful people. I have to run. Thank you. God bless us. God bless Anam people. God bless everyone all over the world, wherever you are. But for this coming Sunday, it is okay. So Elikwana rice that day. Biana masun liji what I go no azundo. Hey. Everybody give him, and go download my song, Give Him Thanks. It is my song and it is our Thanksgiving time. Happy